Similar triangles, question 6. Determine x to two decimal places and the figure is given to us. Now here, let me make it clear that these two sides are parallel, okay? So that arrow indicates kind of that they are parallel sides. Now what we can do is, we can consider, let's label it first because it's not labeled properly. So let's say A, B, C, D. Let me just name them, right? Now that's my triangle A, B, C, D, and that point is O for us. Now let's consider small triangle ABO and the bigger triangle ACD, right? Let's consider these two triangles and see if they are similar or not, right? So we are considering the triangle ABO and triangle ACD. Now in these two triangles we know angle A is common. Angle A is common to small triangle and the big triangle. So we can write angle BAO is equals to angle CAD because they are common. So that is one angle. Second, what we note is these two lines are parallel and that becomes a transverse line, and therefore corresponding angles should be same, right? So these two angles are same, correct? So in small triangle, this angle is angle ABO is equals to angle ACD because corresponding angles. Now, so we have two angles same. Third, of course, we know it is same because that is also a corresponding angle, correct? These two being parallel lines and that being the transverse. But it is not required to be mentioned here, right? So because of this, now we know that triangle ABO is similar to triangle ACD. Now in all the questions relating to triangles and similar triangles, you have to write these statements and prove that they are similar. They are similar because of property angle. As given in the previous two statements, right? They are similar. Now once they are similar, then ratio of their sides is constant, right? Is some constant, that means same constant, so they are equal, correct? Now to find the value of unknown, we will find the ratio of sides, equate the ratio of sides and find the unknown. Now to find this, let's consider angle side opposite to angle A. Side opposite to angle A in the small one is 3 and in the big one is 4.5. So we can write this as 3 over 4.5 is equal to, now the side opposite to these two equal angles. In the small one it is 4 and in the big one is how much? I've seen students making a mistake here. Big one is 4 plus x. Correct? So that is the side which is AD in the big triangle, correct? Now you can cross multiply and solve for x, correct? So you get from here, so this implies what? We'll cross multiply, so we get 3 times 4 plus x is equals to 4 times 4.5, correct? 4 times 4.5 is 4 times 5 is 22, 4 times 4 is 16 and 2, 18, right? So we will have 12, so we can divide by 3 both sides. So we get 4 plus x equals to 18 divided by 3, which is 6, and therefore this implies that x is equals to 2, right? So the unknown side x is 2 for us. To write down the answer, we have to write to 2 decimal places. We say answer is x equals to 2.00. Remember to write your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay. Now let me remind you, in this set of similar triangles, we are going to do many figures like this one. You have to show that how the triangles are similar and then write their corresponding sides and then find out the answer, right? I will not always show it, but kind of tell you. I may not write all the steps, but I'll definitely tell you all the steps. But when you are answering the question, you have to write them very clearly. Okay? Thank you and all the best.